Hello, Year 7s. Today we will be starting the last section on angles, which is angles in a quadrilateral. Quadrilaterals are shapes with 4 sides and 4 angles, and these angles sum to 360 degrees. To find unknown angles in quadrilaterals, we must first add our known angles, then subtract that sum from 360. So for our first quadrilateral here, we'll add our known angles 45, 135, and 63, and together that equals 243 degrees. We then take 243 away from 360, and we get 117 degrees. Therefore, our angle A is 117 degrees. For our next quadrilateral here, we'll take 90 plus 90 plus 135, and we get 315 degrees. We subtract that from 360, and we get 45 degrees. So we know our angle D is 45 degrees. For our last quadrilateral, we add 24 plus 65 plus 28, and we have 117 degrees. Then we take 360 minus 117, and we get 243 degrees. So our angle P is 243 degrees. Now I want you to try to find the missing angles in each quadrilateral. I've wrote the steps for you right here, and you can pause the video now. Okay, you can grab your green pen and mark your answers. We will now look at a special quadrilateral called kites. They have 2 pairs of equal side lengths and 1 pair of equal side angles. So we see here that these 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal, and then just these 2 angles are equal. To find the 2 unknown equal angles, we must add our known angles, then subtract that sum from 360 degrees, and then we would divide that difference by 2. So for this kite here, we'll add 108 plus 74, and we'd get 182 degrees. We then subtract that from 360 degrees to get 178. We then divide 178 by 2 because we are missing 2 equal angles. We would get 89 degrees. So our angle A's equal 89 degrees. This kite here, we would add our 2 known angles, 74 and 90, and we get 164 degrees. We then take that away from 360, and we get 196 degrees. Again, we divide it by 2 because we're missing 2 equal angles. So angle C would be 98 degrees. This kite is the exact same thing. We add 90 and 62 degrees, and we get 152 degrees. Take that away from 360, we get 208 degrees. We then divide 208 by 2, and we get 104 degrees. So our angle H both equal 104 degrees. Now I want you to try finding both missing angles in your workbooks. I've written the steps up here for you again. You can pause the video now. Okay guys, grab your green pen and mark your answers. Now that we have finished the lesson, you can go on to Show My Homework and finish your independent work on there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you guys. Have a good day.